like a light shadow grayish kind of color. And I'm just gonna, okay, don't do that. I painted the blush, the mouth, and the eyeshadow on the line art layer. This is not good for my health. I'm too old for this. Ugh. All right guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do another art challenge, and I figured to make myself just as uncomfortable as possible, we're gonna try to paint something in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. This is not gonna end well. But you know what guys, art is all about facing your fears and working on the things that scare you. Here at Sam Does Arts, we run towards our responsibilities, we face our challenges. Even if the challenges absolutely destroy us, at least we were destroyed with our courage intact. Guys, don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. With that being said though, this should be a really fun video. You know, I want you guys to watch me suffer. But just before we get to that, I want to talk about today's video sponsor, Nexon. Our village is getting fed. In case you guys didn't know, these are the same people who made MapleStory. And I remember playing that in the computer lab when I was like a wee lad. Now you've probably heard of MapleStory, but there's this other game that they've got called Mabinogi. It's an MMORPG where you create your own unique character and live your fantasy life. You can basically settle into your homestead and engage in simple pleasures like cooking or being a merchant, or you can step into the boots of a heroic, super epic, powerful warrior or a mage and just go on epic adventures. The choice is up to you, your hero, your adventure, your fantasy life. And the art style in this game, super cute. And in December 2021, they've got a new update coming out called Chrome Boss Unveiled Abyss Part 1. And this is basically a new dungeon. You can have parties of up to 4 participate in the dungeon. You must have a combat level skill of 1,500 or higher. And the new boss for this update is Irusan, this little fella right here. He's a half fairy, half Fomor who was banished from his fairy village. Irusan, you know what? You can come join my village anytime. So if you guys are interested in Mabinogi and the new update, I've got a link down below for you guys to go check it out. Thank you for feeding my village and keep up the good work. Back to this video, back to my suffering. So when they gave me the character design, I was like, wait a minute. This cat has a similar black and white high contrast color scheme to one of my OCs. That's Kara, if you guys don't know, she's cool. So I thought, what if we have this dungeon boss Irusan and my OC Kara and her pet Bruce all together in this one 30-minute drawing? That would be a pretty good challenge, right? Right? Yeah, so you guys can watch me try to get through this in 30 minutes. But you know, like usual, before you approach any drawing, you should have your references, you should have an idea of what the final is gonna look like, and that I do, okay? So I have a little sketch, it's a very rough sketch. I'm basically gonna have Kara holding Irusan like a big plushie, and then Bruce is gonna be looking up in anger and jealousy. No backgrounds here since it's only 30 minutes and we're just gonna focus on the characters, but it should be fun. All right, so there's my screen. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a timer, 30 minutes, and you guys can keep me company through this drawing process and you can watch me try my best but not succeed. Okay, let's go. So I'm gonna try to do the sketch part for this drawing in like, I don't know, let's say 10 minutes. Just for the record, kids, don't do this to yourself, okay? Art is something you should enjoy while you're doing. Art is something you should take your time with. And there, that's gonna be the head of Irusan, like a giant plushie. Guys, I'm sweating right now. I'm sweating. And it's not from the heat. Nice. Okay, can you see what's going on? Can you guys see what's going on? Yeah. Come on, we got this. We got this. We got this. So I have the pictures of this character, Irusan, up on my computer because I'm not like super familiar with the design. I need some constant reminder as to what the character looks like. It's a cute character. I'm gonna draw this little cat laughing. Very nice. It's been 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Our pace is pretty good right now. I think this might not go as badly as I anticipated. Oh my god, this shoe looks so beat up. That is not a shoe. It looks like a squished hot dog left over on the curb that hasn't been touched in like 3 days. For the people out there who do traditional art, how do you guys live without Liquify? Oh yes. Yes, that's better. Okay, so Bruce is gonna be sitting right there by her foot and he's gonna feel very betrayed. There we go. Look at that angry little face. I am scrambling. What am I looking for? What am I trying to do? Liquify, okay, there we go. My computer is trying to go to sleep. Do not go to sleep. We stay awake. Stop. Okay, eyes. I don't like that. Oh my God, I don't like that. Oh my God, what am I doing? 20 minutes, 21 seconds left. Yep, I'm panicking. Just... Okay, and we have 18 minutes and 30 seconds left. This is not gonna turn out well for us, guys. We are not on good pace. I don't know how this drawing is gonna look by the time we're done, but it's not looking good, guys. You know what though? Public humiliation is something I do very well. Humiliation of myself, I mean. For the record, guys, what you hear in my voice right now is not panic, it's determination. Just kidding, it's panic. We have 16 minutes left. I've spent too much time on the sketch, so here is, I'm gonna turn this to multiply, add a new layer under, and then we are going to do some basic rendering here for the characters. Let's see if I can pull this out in 16 minutes. Fill. You know what? Thank God for undo. Where would I be without undo? You guys ever just think about that? Like, where would you be without undo? You would be somewhere in a ditch, crying. You will have absolutely nothing. You would just be crying in a ditch. Shout out to all the traditional artists out there who don't know what it's like to have undo. You guys are built different. And we are 14 minutes and 50 seconds left. We are 14 minutes and 50 seconds left. Good. I am going insane. So Kara wears black and her hair is white, so it's gonna be pretty simple. Oh my God, my silhouette is so bad. Okay, it's okay. Gather yourself, collect yourself. Okay, let me fix the silhouette. I don't know if you guys can see, but I am sweating, and we have 12 minutes. What am I doing? We have 12 minutes and 20 seconds left. Honestly, don't try this at home. I do this for your guys' entertainment. Ten minutes, 50 seconds left. I think we can start doing a little bit of rendering, some very basic rendering. And to actually save time, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set a new layer on top, set it to multiply, okay? And I'm gonna pick just like a light shadow grayish kind of color. And I'm just gonna, okay, don't do that. I'm going to make a clipping mask, there we go, so that it doesn't go outside of the layer underneath. And I'm just gonna apply a glaze of shadow. Now, it's not always the best way because it doesn't give you the most amount of control over your colors, but in this case, you know, it's fast, so that's what we need. It's fast and it's simple. Oh my God, 8 minutes left. All right, skin tone. Let's work out the skin tone here. You know what, this is like an extreme sport. I'm sweating. My heart rate is up. This is not good for my health. I'm too old for this. It's perfect because look at like our boss's color scheme here. Just match our character Kara so well. This is like a match made in heaven. Oh my God. I love that. I don't know, guys. I'm a sucker for black and white. Just like plain simple monochrome. 5 minutes left. Now I'm gonna get into a little bit of detailing. This is not gonna go well, guys. This is not gonna go well. But you know what, guys? We're trying our best and we're facing our fears, and that's what matters. Art is all about challenging yourself and doing your best in the face of impossible odds. I'm gonna cry. Little bit of blush for both of them. Beautiful. Oh no. Oh my God, guys. Pause the timer right now. Okay, we have 3 minutes, 30 seconds left. I painted the blush, the mouth, and the eyeshadow on the line art layer. Do you think I could undo this? Okay, resume. I'm gonna undo this. This is ridiculous. Now, stop undoing the, okay. So there's a lesson for all of us, guys. When you're drawing, make sure that you're drawing on the right layer. There we go. This is on the right layer. We have like 2 minutes left. I don't know how much I'm gonna get done in these next 2 minutes, but for 30 minutes, like starting from scratch for 30 minutes, I think this is pretty good, right? I'm trying my best. We run towards our fears, we run towards our challenges, and we go down swinging. Don't you ever give up on your hopes and dreams. And 40 seconds left. I forgot to add the wings. Oh, 3, 2, 1. We did okay for 30 minutes, right? I think we got pretty far. Okay, so that was the most stressful thing that I've done in a while. That was 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you guys on the screen right now. This is what we've got in 30 minutes. Okay, we started from a blank canvas, 30 minutes. This is what we got. Now, is this a success? I mean, like, I don't think so, because we didn't actually finish the piece, but to be fair, we got pretty far along in the render process. And I think after this point, we just need to add in some smaller details and some refinement. I think I'm gonna take this piece and complete it in Photoshop here because I am more comfortable with Photoshop. So let's do that. Let's move over to the big screen and let's finish this piece so you guys can see the final product versus the 30-minute version, which is kind of rough. But what can you do? Y'all, I'm gonna need a full year to recover after this art challenge. Like, I'm not joking. All right, guys, so I've made some adjustments to the base sketch. I've made some adjustments to the pose because we were a little bit rushed when we started. So some of the things were a little bit off when I flipped the canvas and decided to do a check on it. And so now, after doing all the checks and all that, I think this piece is looking pretty solid. I think it's good enough for us to start adding in the small details. And let's see what happens when you actually take your time with your art. Man, it feels so good to not have a timer ticking away while I'm working. Okay, but seriously guys, don't their color schemes go so well together? Like, it's like this was meant to happen. So I'm just adding in some line art here because it kind of matches the style of both of our characters. And we're gonna make Bruce look extra angry here. Guys, this is looking pretty good. We've added about another 30 minutes to the drawing, and I think it looks so much better now. Compared to the one before, oh my goodness. Huge, massive improvement. Irusan's got a little gold star right there. How adorable. I think we did a pretty good job here. I'm gonna make some final adjustments and I think this piece should be ready to go. "40 minutes later, this is our final piece. I like this so much more than our 30-minute piece. Anyways, I had a lot of fun doing this and trying to paint this in 30 minutes. Obviously, didn't work out. I'm not at that level yet, but I don't know. Maybe we'll try that challenge again in the future and maybe I'll be able to do it. But in the end, we made a really solid piece. I'm really happy with this one. Hope you guys like it too. But yeah, I don't know. If you guys want to try this challenge out for yourself, try to draw a character in 30 minutes. You can give it a shot and see how it goes, but it's hard. Anyways, thank you once again to Nexon for sponsoring this video and feeding my village. If you guys want to go check out their game, it's called Mabinogi, new dungeon, and this cute little fella right here is the boss. So shout out to them for feeding all of us. We appreciate it. With that being said though, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more art content, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video. Look at Bruce. Look at him. He's so angry. I love it. Angry cats just speak to me on a spiritual level. I did leg day at the gym today, so standing required a lot of extra effort. And that piece of hair is bothering me. I think you guys can all relate to this problem. Sometimes you look at a piece for a little bit too long and you're like, wait a minute, I don't actually like it.